If I ever make top 10 best dishes I've ever tasted in my life, this dish will be really high on the list. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode I will create amazing composition of shrimps, tomatoes and pasta. But first, as usual, allow me to introduce all ingredients that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. Plus 36 degrees Celsius in the shade. Crazy beginning of August. Action! If you want to make perfect tomato sauce, the best of the best, you need to have few different kinds. I have here 5 different kinds of tomatoes. The truth is, if you want to make the sauce of your life, you need highest quality of tomatoes and highest quality of extra virgin olive oil. Let's rock and roll! Let the magic happen! Time to collect herbs. Bay leaves, rosemary, basil, red basil, thyme. This is lemon thyme. Perfect. Here we have sage. Beautiful. And I think more basil. Yeah. Chop it well and on the pan. Salt, freshly ground pepper, To reach culinary heaven, you need to add 2 things. 2 cloves of garlic, and cream, 18% fat. Time for shrimps, which I marinated as usual in extra virgin olive oil, garlic and chili flakes. First, olive oil on the pan. Okay, time to serve this super dish. Amigos, superfood is landing on the table. Bon appetit!